Hello everyone! This tutorial is all about taking your animated announcements to the next level. Whether you're promoting a sale, a new product launch, or just some exciting news, these tips will help you grab your audience attention and keep them engaged. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Divide your design into sections. Think about the building blocks of your announcement. A strong announcement typically has 3 key sections: text, image, and a call to action. Keeping these sections separate helps you control the flow of information. Tip number 2. One step at a time. Here's a golden rule to captivating audiences. Avoid information overload. Make sure your text, image, and CTA appear one at a time. This gives viewers a chance to absorb each piece of information before moving on. Tip number 3. Interactive CTAs. Want to make your CTA even more exciting? Many animation tools offer preset libraries with interactive elements. Adding a blinking cursor or a tap animation to your CTA can give viewers that extra nudge to take action. It's a subtle detail that can make a big difference. So, there you have it. Don't forget to experiment, have fun, and let your creativity shine through. Thanks for watching.